Oh no. Welcome back to Subaru. Today we'll be adding rigidity to the car by installing this Perrin front strut tower brace bar. Let's get started. For this install you'll need a hex key, a 13mm socket, a socket wrench, and a torque wrench. Let's start by popping the hood. The front strut tower brace bar does exactly that. It braces the two front strut towers. Your front strut towers are located here and here. So we're going to add a bar to brace it. Alright, let's remove the two 13mm inner nuts of both strut towers. With the strut tower nuts removed, we can now put in the brace bar. We want to take our hex tool and just loosen this side, so now we can move the bar. With both sides loosened, let's put the bar in. This side's aligned, so let's align the other side. Now that the strut tower is in place, we can bolt it down. We want to keep the bolts a little loose so we can have a little play with the strut bar, and then we'll tighten it fully. Great, with all the strut tower bolts in, let's torque it down. Each 13mm nut will need to be torqued down to 18 foot-pounds. Now that it's all torqued, we just need to take our hex key and tighten down the bar. Solid. This is what it looks like installed. Done. Let's go for a test drive. You can feel an immediate difference when driving. The steering and handling feel much more responsive. For just a bar and some bolts, this is definitely worth it. If you found this video useful, give it a like and subscribe for more Subaru content. I'll see you in the next install. Bye!